ZESTY is a technology developed by an Australian company called Calix, and its purpose is to decarbonise the iron and steel industries. Coal is used for heat, obviously, when you're making iron and steel, but also the coal is used to turn the iron ore into iron. So the carbon in coal sucks the oxygen off the iron ore to make iron, and itself gets blown into the atmosphere as CO2, which is why the iron and steel industries are so CO2 intensive. ZESTY doesn't use coal. Instead, it uses green hydrogen. That green hydrogen does the job of coal and replaces the coal. And so ZESTY is the way we're going to approach zero emissions iron and steel making. We are targeting minimum hydrogen usage. Hydrogen is the most expensive part of iron and steel making when you use hydrogen in direct reduced iron, and ZESTY's targeting the lowest use. So that's lower use of hydrogen, lower energy, and of course we've been testing it on Australian ores. So all of those Australian ores that we produce here are responsible for a lot of the export income of Australia are the very ores that we've been testing here in our plant here in Bacchus Marsh in Victoria. We're absolutely delighted. There's a core team here at Calix called the ZESTY team who've been working tirelessly on this for 2 years now. And of course the technology itself, the wider team within Calix, we've been working on this technology since back in 2006. So it's a long history. There's a lot of rapid recent development to get us to where we're at today with ZESTY, and we're very proud of that. The Heavy Industry Low Emissions Transition Cooperative Research Centre, or HILT CRC, have been a very big and important part of the progress we've made. And all of the participants in the HILT CRC, including some of the largest iron ore producers in the world today. So we extend our thanks to all of those. ARENA, the Australian Renewable Energy Agency, who helped support the study, and the front-end engineering design for our next scale-up, our demonstration unit. And lastly, the Australian government, who've supported us in numerous ways and means, not least through the R&D rebate. So thanks go to all of those people and all of those institutions for where we've got to today. Certainly we're starting to build the ecosystem we need. Iron ore producers, steel makers, but really what would help catalyse the production of zero emission steel is a market. For example, maybe the Brisbane Olympics could be a green Olympics with green iron, green steel and green cement. That would be a great thing to aim for, to give real pull-through for green steel products here in Australia. It can be done. We've got a great technology here, amongst other technologies that can help decarbonise heavy industries such as iron and steel and lime and cement. And all we need to do is work together. Governments, institutions, organisations and end customers. All of us need to work together to make these technologies come through. They're close, they're real close. All we need is that little bit of customer pull to get these technologies to market.